Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Now we're going to take this driver's rear door panel off. We're going to start by pulling this panel off. Take a flat blade tool. There we go. There's 3 clips right there. Hold it on. Next we're going to pull this one off. I'm going to pry it down a little bit. There's a little tab right there. And then it pulls out straight and up. Next we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull these 3 screws out. Start with this bottom one. Pull this last screw out. Next, we're going to use some of our trim tools. We sell these at 1aauto.com. I'm going to grab it from the inside. And there's push pins. So we're going to push it, use the trim tools to pry the push pins out. Pull up on the door panel. Next we're going to disconnect this connector. This is a little push lock. Push down on the lock and it pulls right out. And disconnect the cables that go to the inner door latch and lock. So there's a cover right here. You're going to pull up on the cover. You're going to grab the lower cable. You pull it out. Twist and pull that ball out. We're going to do the same for the other. Twist and pull that ball out. Now the door panel's ready to just come off. Now we're going to reinstall. We're going to start with the cables. You're going to start with the small one. This one's actually the lock. Get that ball in and then through the slot. And we're going to slide that down the slot. Then we're going to take this other ball. This is for the handle part. Put it in that hole. And slide this down that slot. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it a little bit. And we can put the cover down. Next we're going to take that connector for the window switch and we're going to slide it in, lock it in. You're going to slide this groove up top near the window first, push it down, and line these clips in. Give it a little push. We're going to insert these Phillips head screws with our Phillips head screwdriver. Next one. And the last one. Next we're going to put this trim piece on. Line it up down below. Just push. Next we're going to install this trim piece. Get it lined up. And push so it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.